Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add DSers to Shopify. DSers is a dropshipping app that allows you to add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. This is a great way to get started with dropshipping, as it eliminates the need to purchase and store inventory yourself. In this video, I will cover the following topics. What is DSers? How to sign up for DSers? How to add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store? How to manage your DSers orders. How to use DSers to automate your shipping. What is DSers? DSers is a dropshipping app that allows you to add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. This is a great way to get started with dropshipping, as it eliminates the need to purchase and store inventory yourself. DSers offers a number of features, including automatic product updates, automatic order fulfillment, automatic shipping, real-time tracking, product variations. How to sign up for DSers? To sign up for DSers, you will need to create a Shopify account. Once you have created a Shopify account, you can click on the Apps button in the Shopify dashboard. Then, search for DSers and click on the app. Once you have clicked on the app, you will be prompted to create a DSers account. Once you have created a DSers account, you can log into the app and start adding products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. How to add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. To add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store, you will need to click on the Products tab in the DSers dashboard. Then, click on the Add Products button. Once you have clicked on the Add Products button, you will be able to search for products on AliExpress. Once you have found a product that you want to add to your Shopify store, you can click on the Add to Cart button. Once you have added a product to your cart, you will need to click on the Checkout button. Once you have clicked on the Checkout button, you will be prompted to enter your shipping information. Once you have entered your shipping information, you can click on the Place Order button. Once you have placed your order, DSers will automatically add the product to your Shopify store. How to manage your DSers orders. To manage your DSers orders, you will need to click on the Orders tab in the DSers dashboard. Once you have clicked on the Orders tab, you will be able to see a list of all of your DSers orders. You can use the DSers Orders tab to track your orders, process your orders, and ship your orders. How to use DSers to automate your shipping. DSers offers a number of shipping automation features, including automatic order fulfillment, automatic shipping, real-time tracking. To use DSers to automate your shipping, you will need to enable the shipping automation feature in the DSers settings. Once you have enabled the shipping automation feature, DSers will automatically fulfill your orders and ship your products to your customers. DSers is a great way to get started with dropshipping. It is easy to use and offers a number of features that can help you automate your business. If you are looking for a way to get started with dropshipping, I highly recommend that you give DSers a try. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.